Everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at Bitcoin, its valuation against its own dollar, and looking at the 20-week moving average. If you guys like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. So today, for the start of the week, Bitcoin is down. It's down about 2%. It rallied a bit earlier today, but currently right now we are down. We're down. We've lost about almost $1,000 worth of valuation. However, when we look at the moving average, so if we take a look at the moving average of say September 6th, the week of September 6th, we see it, gradually dropping every $500 or so per week. However, this week, the moving average has flattened a bit. Right, it's now last week it was at 40,791. This week it's at 40,586. So it's definitely not dropping $500 per week now. And we knew this. We knew this was coming. We did the math. We projected that next week the 20-week moving average will start trending up, or at least the week after. I can't remember which if it was next week or the week after. However, it is flattening out. As you can see, it's starting to flatten out. And that is a thing to keep in mind, right? This could be 40,500 could be the area where Bitcoin really has the fight, and this is where the fight begins. When we start testing the 20-week moving average a lot, there's going to be a lot of fear. I think the fear and greed index right now is at like 20 or so, 30 or something. So with that said, there's a lot of fear in the market. A lot of people are worried. As for me, I am simply just holding on. I'm not making any trades at the moment. I'm not accumulating anything at the moment. I currently want to see what Bitcoin will do in the next in the next couple of weeks into October. Do we see Bitcoin break the 20-week moving average and subsequently the 50-week moving average? Or do we see a successful test of the 20-week moving average, in which case we should see a pretty nice bounce afterwards? Until that time, it really does seem like Bitcoin dominance is going to start trending up. Last week was interesting. We only lost about 0.06 percentage points of a percent like of market dominance for Bitcoin. But we went up as high as 42.96 and as low as 41.12. So regardless, it does seem like we are trending up. That's what it seems like when we measure it from the week of September 6th. Bitcoin dominance is gaining valuation. If we do increase, the notable test would be the 20-week moving average for the Bitcoin dominance chart. As you can see from July 26th, the week of July 26th to August 9th, that week, we saw a test of the 20-week moving average and get rejected ultimately. Same here. In February of 2021, we tried to break above the 20-week moving average. We couldn't, broke back down. So things are pretty tense here. And what I would say is just, if this is too much for you, then obviously reconsider redistributing your portfolio. But for me, this is not necessarily a place to make decisions. It's more so an area of just holding on and waiting to see what happens. Just wait to see what happens. If we break, then lower valuations are more likely, in which case you can prepare to buy the dip essentially. Or if you're really that worried, sell your position and wait. You run the risk of missing the bottom and end up buying maybe at a higher valuation that you sold, which is not good and something I don't necessarily advise, unless you really, really can't handle the stress, in which case, your consciousness is more valuable than your wallet, in my opinion. Anyway, that's pretty much it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.